and today I'll teach you how to connect DreamWeaver to an FTP. Now today I'll be using FileZilla, which is the FTP, and Byethost. Alright, so first we're going to start off with making a DreamWeaver site. Now we're just going to name it whatever you want right here, and right down here is the link to the actual website. For me it's blitz.byethost16.com. You'll click next, and server technology, it's if you are or not. You should know if you are or not using server technology. Me, no, I'm not, so I'll just click next. This is where you'll save it. I'm just gonna make a folder right here. Test page. Okay. Now here you click the drop down box and select FTP. Now for here I'll just edit the details in right here. Okay, so I've got all my details. Here is the FTP address of the web server. For me it's just FTP.Byethost. If you're using Byethost, you can find it along the sidebar after logging into your Vista panel. You can find it along the sidebar in the account information. Right here is the host name, your username, vPanel username, which is the same, usually, and all these other details. So ftp.byethost16.com is what I'll use for the host name. Now folder on the server, I'll just put a slash because I don't really need that. Your FTP login, that's your username. That's what should show up on FileZilla. And then your password, obviously. Now if you're unsure about whether you've connected correctly, you can just click Test Connection. And as you can see, I am correctly connected. Alright, so you can just click Next. This is your personal preference again. And right here is a summary of what you've done. Okay, and just click Done. And you'll see that your site shows up in the right sidebar here. Now at first you won't have any files, but you can make a file by right-clicking New File and just naming it whatever you want. Testpage.html. Now you can name it whatever you want, including the .html. You can save it as .php or whatever. I like naming it HTML because that's what I usually use. Now you can go in, edit it. Now you start off with some basic code right here. Now take note that right here, that's what will show up on the tab page. I'll just name it YouTube test. Okay. Now you'll see there's nothing here. There's absolutely nothing. You can change that by going new. I've explained this in a previous video, so I'll just select it right here. Alright. So now you've got your main content, a header, sidebar, and a footer. Now you can just edit this however you want. Okay, and then after you're done editing it, you can just File, Save As, and then whatever your page is, testpage.html. Save. Okay, so whenever you're ready to upload your site, you'll click the file name of the entire site, not just that one page, because it'll refresh everything on the web page. Alright, and when you have it selected, you can just click Put Files. It'll upload, there's really not much to say about it. Yes. You can look details right there, okay. Okay, so I'm just going to type in the web page right here, blitz.byethost16.com. And you can see that the web page has loaded. Even though there's nothing really to show or see, it shows that you have uploaded it correctly. So if you are having problems uploading files through DreamWeaver, you can simply, with FileZilla, just find the file. It's in the documents for me. Just find your website and just simply click and drag. And okay. Okay. And okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.